we are measuring angles. So we're practicing to measure some of these angles. Just using the protractor like we normally do. So if we pull up one of these, we realize that we want to put the point at where it's at, and then ensure that the bottom line is in line with the 0. And since the bottom line is in line with the 0, and the 0 is on the inside, I'm doing the inside. So my angle would equal out to 45. All right, my angle would equal out to 45. Let's go. We switch slides, Anna. So if we keep going over, let's do one more example. All right, so for this one, it would be 153. Let's go ahead and do another one. I'm recording. So for this one, it is 30. So let me pull up one of them. And you put the point at the dot, and then you measure, because the bottom line is 0. And then that one is 30. Good. Let's do one more, and then we'll call it quits. There it is. All right, so let's look at this one. We're getting, yep, it's a lot of 150s. That's good. Right, so our bottom line is at 0, and then means we're going to travel on the outside. So then our line goes to 150. All right, so for this part, I want us to go over solving equations. So this is just a review. I'm just going to do one quick problem. So if I have 2y minus, let's do minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 9, right? So if I want to solve this, the goal is to get y by itself, like we normally do. And since this is plus 4, I'm going to do the additive inverse, which is minus 4. And whatever you do on one side, you do on the other side. So then I'm left with minus 2y is equal to 9 minus 4 is 5. All right. So then now I need to do the multiplicative inverse, which divides negative 2 on both sides. Because whatever you do on one side, sure enough, got to do it on the other side. So then y is equal to negative 5 over 2. So then my answer is y equals negative 5 over 2. So just to recap, my goal is to get y by itself, or whatever variable it is. And since this is plus 4, I'm going to do the additive inverse, which is minus 4, and then I'm going to do that on both sides. which leaves me, this right here becomes 0. So it leaves me with negative 2y is equal to 9 minus 4, which is 5. So then now I need to get rid of this negative 2. And what did we do on one side? Sure enough, got to do it on the other side. So I'm going to divide both sides by negative 2. And then I don't necessarily need to go in and do this fraction. I could leave it like that. I'm going to leave it like negative 5 over 2. So y is equal to negative 5 over 2.